Good morning, students. It's Miss Sarah today. We are going to do our morning meeting in our calendar. We are in a new month, my friends. We are in the month of April. The month of April now. We finished March and now we are in April. So today we're going to talk about our days of the week. We're going to sing our good morning songs. We're going to sing our calendar songs. And you guys are going to help me fill in the pattern like we do in our classroom for the pictures on our calendar. So let's get started, my friends. You need two hands. We're only going to sing our English good morning song today. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Very good, my friends. Now let's look at our calendar here. Yesterday was the very first day of April, so I put a number 1 and I used a rainbow for my picture. So up here in the top, I put our pattern. The pattern I chose for the month is rainbow, rainbow, umbrella. So if I started with a rainbow, I have to think, what is going to come next in my pattern? I have one rainbow. So the next picture in my pattern is going to be another rainbow. So I'm going to get my colored pencils. Can't forget my color green. All right, so I have my rainbow. So rainbow, rainbow. So tomorrow I'm going to have to figure out what's going to be next in my pattern. If yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday. Yesterday I had the number 1. What number comes next? Let me think. Let me count. 1, 2. The number 2 comes next. So now I'm going to take my marker and in the rainbow, I'm going to write the number 2. Alrighty, my friends. Now let's say the date together. Today is Thursday, April 2, 2020. Today is Thursday. All day long. Woo! All day long. Woo! Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Ding dong ding. Ding dong ding. Very good, my friends. That is it for our calendar today. I will see you guys for calendar tomorrow.